Yeah, where did you find it?
It's the v911 micro heli.
Where did you get this one?
Yard sale.
Yard sale, and you fixed it?
Yeah.
There's some problem?
It's a pretty expensive thing, but I got it for a good price.
And what did you do to fix it?
I just fixed the back motor.
And then, is it flying now, but it has some problem?
It did, but we'll see.
Okay, let's see. Get stuck on the tree. Let's see whether it will fly.
Checking all rotors. Can you see it moving a little bit?
Yeah. Ah! Okay.
Oh.
This is a bust. What happened? At home it was doing better. Maybe like baby, you need to get... That's good, that's better. Okay. Come on, tell some stories about this. What is this? What is the model of the helicopter?
Are you putting this on Facebook or YouTube?
No, for us. Okay, you got it from yard sale, and you fix it, and let's see. Very good. Lovely. Oh, where am I? Okay, I'm not the best cameraman. My finger even shows. Wow, you fixed it!
Isn't that incredible?
I can't believe it. Okay, tell me about it.
What do you want to tell you?
About the machine. Okay, that's good. You are learning. Just new. Yeni öğreniyor. Bunu burada komşusu garajda satıyordu. Yahya tamir etti. Motor falan aldı. Bağladı falan. Ayarlarını yaptı. Şimdi uçuyor nihayet. Okay. Take care. Let me see it from close. Okay, one last time. Wow, lovely. Can you come
close to you?
Yeah, make it kind of come towards me. Bana doğru gelsin. Do you know? You don't know how to control it yet.
For some reason.
Okay, şuna bakalım. Okay.
It's out of battery.
That's it. This is also a good one. Let's finish with this one. Yahya's grandma painted this one. Yahya'nın annesi bunu şey etti. Onun Feride. Okay.
Okay, done. See? Isn't that cool?
Lovely, lovely.
It's like hovers right there.
Beautiful. Okay.